We have a Microsoft Surface Pro 4 in here today. This was in at another shop. They tried changing the battery and then the machine would not turn on at all. It's a very common issue with the Surface Pro. So we have a couple diodes that handle battery and charging in this section. There's a resistor here that can blow, and if those are all good, then it's very likely going to be the PMIC is the issue. So we actually have already diagnosed, to show you under the scope, these two diodes here. I believe the top one is for battery and this handles charging. So these both measured good, those are fine. This resistor, that is one of the other common failure points. This resistor does measure good. Right here we have a short, and we've already injected voltage, and this chip gets very hot. So we're going to go ahead and replace the PMIC. That should hopefully solve our issues with this Surface Pro 4. I'm going to grab that PMIC chip, throw on some gloves, and be right back.
A few minutes later.
All right, got our new chip here. Let's get started. Okay, so we'll make a little mark here so we know the orientation of the chip. We'll go 370 degrees Celsius at 50 airflow. And we're just preheating the board, and then we'll focus heat and remove the chip. All right, we have the chip removed. We're going to tin our iron with some low melt solder and utilize flux and retin each of these bonding pads. And then clean up with copper wick. Okay, old chip's removed, ready to install the new one. All right, make sure we're orientated correctly. Goes like that. But before we install, let's verify that the short is gone. Okay. The short is not gone. We're gonna have to inject voltage again and see where the problem is. Connect to ground here, and we can output voltage, inject voltage with this lead. Start at 1.3 volts and output, go up a bit. I think this is a 3-volt rail. That may have just removed the short. Did we get trolled again? Yes, we did. Okay, let's get back to what we were doing, which is installing the chip. Short appears to be gone. And since we're using, I don't know, this is a new chip, so that might be higher melt solder. So we'll preheat the board first.
A few moments later.
All right, so with the new chip installed, we do have our 3.3 volts. So we can go ahead and test this Surface Pro 4. I will go grab the screen and hopefully it turns on.
15 minutes later.
Okay, so I truly hate how they design. Okay, so disconnect the battery, connect LCD, won't worry about touch, and plug her in. Do we get anything? Appears not. Okay, just gonna mount the board and the housing so that there's connection to the battery. Okay, prompt to boot. I wonder if the battery is the issue. Okay, our power flex wasn't connected. Let's try that again. And prompting. Aha. Battery is low. Let's see if it charges. So we trolled ourselves for a little bit there by not connecting the power flex. I don't want to diagnose PC. Restart. All right, we're in. It's charging, all done. So the Surface Pro is now turning on and charging after replacing the PMIC. I hope you learned something in today's video. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.